everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. It's snowing on the homestead. I wanted to share this video of the homestead when it is snowing, as it is beautiful and peaceful. I also wanted to share with you a little history of me living on the homestead. I have lived here for 8 years. I believe it was my 3rd year living here that I got snowed in. By that, I mean I could come out of the house, but with the 4 feet of snow, thanks to the snowdrift, I was basically stuck on the homestead for 2 days. A couple years after that, we experienced several days of temperatures in the single digits. As a result, everyone was burning through their oil trying to keep warm. I placed an order to have my tank filled, only to be told that they had to service those with a completely empty tank before they can come fulfill my order. Neither instance caused me to panic, because in the first scenario, I had enough food and water to last several weeks without leaving the house, and I was able to work from home. In the second scenario, I had more than a quarter of fuel. I always order a refill before my tank drops below a quarter of a tank. However, it was the second scenario that made me realize I was 100% dependent on the oil company's ability to deliver fuel in order for me to heat my house. And where I live, it can get really cold. Not only that, but we lose power several times a year. Never more than 36 hours, but during a severe winter day, like we had a few weeks ago, where temperatures were in the single digits for almost a week, having no fuel or experiencing a blackout during that time could have been life-threatening. And for the record, we did experience a power outage during that historic freeze, but it only lasted a few hours, and it didn't have any impact on us because we have and use a wood-burning stove to heat our home. So for us, it's important to have a reliable heating alternative. Not everyone needs the same preps. You do not need to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars to get every modern piece of survival equipment. Humans have survived many years without technology. So assess your situation and get what you need to survive in your region. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please like this video and consider subscribing to this small YouTube channel to help it to grow.